Okay, so let's just get this straight, shall we? You don't know where the material came from, or if there was a Big Bang or a singularity. You don't know where the chemicals came from to make all the planets and the stars. You don't know how the planets really were made. You don't know how organic evolution came about to make plant life. You don't really know exactly how the first life forms sort of evolved or came about, and you expect me to believe in that? I think it's a lot of crap myself.
Hello. I've been busy the past few days. Working. I'm working now on the way to a job, so I just thought I'd take this opportunity to try and make a posting, because I've just had a chance to do it. Right, a few things I need to try and clear up. Some of you have been saying that the Big Bang is not evolution at all, it's actually cosmology. Well, not really, because cosmology is the study of planets, the moon and galaxies and things which are out in space, which are actually there, which we can see. That's cosmology. To me, the Big Bang is what it is, or the singularity, which would still need matter apparently, all funneled down into a very, very tight dot and then expanded from that. Yeah, but where did the dot come from? Where did all material come from to make the dot? You know, you haven't answered that question. Again, you know, you don't know where it is. As creationists, as Christians, know where it is because we've got a book which tells us where it come from. It's called the Bible. Right, the second form of evolution, according to Andy, is the evolution of chemicals. Where did the chemicals come from? The third, because that would have to happen, the third form of evolution, according to Andy, is stellar. Where did the planets come from? How did the chemicals make all the planets and everything else from the stars and the sun and everything else we see out there? How did the chemicals do this? Nobody has any answer for that. Right, the fourth form of evolution is organic evolution. How did life begin from non-living material? If you can imagine that the earth was newly formed, it was apparently it was boiling hot, very, very hot. How did life come from this? I mean, again, you don't talk about that. All you want to talk about really is the fifth form of evolution, which is macroevolution, transitions between one species to the next. You know, we came from this single light-sensitive cell. It crawled out of the prebiotic soup and it crawled onto the land. It managed to find something to eat and another organism to mate with, and slowly over billions of years it became what we are today. Sorry, that is not observed. That is a fairy tale. Anything we can't see, we can't prove, is a fairy tale. We've got no evidence for a Big Bang. We've got no evidence of the chemicals, of the stellar evolution, organic evolution, macroevolution. We've got no evidence for that whatsoever. That's just pie in the sky. Why don't you drop it? Get rid of your pride. I understand it's a load of rubbish, and try and grasp something which is a science, which is microevolution. We can see microevolution. It happens. You know, transitions between one species to the next. That doesn't happen. Now, what we can observe is diversity within a species. We can see there are many dogs out there, but they're all dogs. Many cats, but there are cats. Different kinds of birds, but it's a bird. We do not observe a monkey man, for instance. Oh, but they say, if you give it billions of years or millions of years, it become a monkey into a man. Bullshit. No way, Jose. That will not happen. No way. No. The Bible says clearly that it was done in 6 days. Now, is the Bible true? That's the main thing, okay? You've got your book, on evolution. Charles Darwin, even he said, I don't think it's quite right, but it might be right. We hope it's right, so therefore it becomes a faith and a religion. That's what you've got, like me, is a faith or a religion. I hope there's a God. I hope there's life after death. I hope I have faith. I believe. That's what I've got, and that's what you guys have really got, because you haven't got no tangible evidence. You cannot see. All you got is a pile of bones in the dirt. You can't extract that and say, oh, look what we got, a missing link. No, you found a pile of bones in the bloody dirt, and you're making your interpretation as a missing link. All you need for a good missing link is an imagination. That's what you guys have got. But anyway, is the Bible true? Yes, it is. And I've got cast iron evidence that the Bible is true. Now, if you care to go to my YouTube and look at some of the Jesus the Wonderful Numberers on there, there is no way on this earth that man could have devised a book like that with prophecies which are coming true today, yesterday and tomorrow. They're going to come true and devise a mathematical genius out of this book. Go and watch that and just listen to what the man's saying. Mark, my friend, who lives in Swindon as well. Listen to what he's saying. Don't be proud. Go to it with a blank mind and think, right, I'm on the fence here. I don't believe in evolution. I don't believe in creation. I'm on the fence. Now, what do I believe in? Watch the clip and then come back and tell me what you think of it. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking me from a Christian point of view, because you haven't got the answers to this question, where did the matter come from? Where is God? And that. So I'm going to attempt to answer these questions, okay? I've answer them through typing on the internet, but it doesn't get to everyone. So let's just start off with where did the matter come from? Right, so God is energy. He says all power is given unto me in Matthew. He is energy. All energy. All power is energy as well. So with energy you can make matter. With matter you can make material. And with material you can indeed make things which we observed out there.